Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So in this session we'll be discussing a problem which is basically based on arrays. So write a Java program to find second occurrence of key element in given array. If the key element occurred for second time, return its index value. If key element is not found, or else I can say if it is not found for second time, then return -1. So if it is not found for second time, return -1. So the problem is something like this, guys. So you are given with one array and you will be given with one key element. So you should return the index value of that element for which it should be repeating for the second time. So if it is repeating for the second time, then you need to return the second time repetition index value, and if it is not repeating for the second time, then you need to just return -1. So this is the whole problem, guys, and here you can see there are some sample input output examples. Input array1 equal to 1 2 3 4 5 2. So key element here they are given as 2, and I need to find out whether it is repeating for the second time or not. So you can see the index values will be 0 1 2 3 4 5, and so the maximum value will be 5. So it is repeating, first it is occurring at index position 1, after that it is occurring at the index position 5. So I need to return the second index position, second occurrence. So it is occurring second time at the index positions 5, so that's why the output should be 5. Okay, so explanation I have already told you. So now let us go to the second example. So let us say array1 is equal to 10 20 30 40 50 and 16. So if I am looking for the element that is 10, if it is occurring for the second time, then I need to return the index value. So here you can see the 10 is not occurring anywhere for the second time, it is just occurred for one time. So then I need to return -1, and that's it. Okay, so this is the explanation regarding the problem, guys, basically what they are asking. And now I'll just show you the approach, to what approach we should go in order to crack this one, or I can say you just need to solve this one. Okay, so see here, guys, I'll just take the key. Okay, so I will use one for loop to compare it with each and every element of the array. And once I found it out, like if it is occurring for the second time, then I'll be using one counter to keep a count on that one for how many times it is repeating. So if it is if the counter value goes to 2, that means it is occurring for the second time, then I will break the loop and I will come out of the loop and I will print the index value at which point it is exactly repeated. Okay, so that will be pretty much easy, guys. I'll just go to the Eclipse here and I'll be taking the input from user. So that's why I need to use the scanner classes and all. So I'll just quickly write one scanner class to take the input from the user. So scanner sc equal to new scanner, and here I will be writing system.in. So this is a scanner object to take the input from the user. Then I will print one message to the user saying that enter the size of array. So that is basically capital N. Okay, so that is size of the array. Got it? So after this, once I get the size of the array, what I will be doing is I will be taking one variable called intn equal to sc.nextInt method I will use to store the size of the array inside one variable. So once I get the size of the array, now it's time to take the array elements. So I will say enter array elements. So now it's time to take the array elements, and in order to store those array elements, I need to have one empty array. So I will just declare an empty array of size n, and with the help of for loop, I will be taking all those elements inside the array. So I will just write one for loop to take the elements. So this for loop will be basically used to take the elements, guys. Array1 of I is equal to sc dot, and with the help of nextInt method I will be taking the input. So that's it, guys, and this is to take the input. So once I have taken the input, now I should find out, I should take the key element as well. So I will write system.out.println, enter the key element. So enter the key element, I will just enter, and whatever the user enters, I will store it into a new variable called like sc.nextInt method. So I will use this one to store the value. Got it? So sc.nextInt method will store the value inside that key. Okay, so once I have taken the key, guys, now I'm done pretty much taking the input, and here I will write one for loop for okay, so for, and before that I need some variables like one I need, after that one, a lot of variables I'll be getting. So for int I is equal to 0, after that I will initialize count is equal to 0. So these two variables I will be using. So that it's a member variable, so I will be initializing directly to 0, and I should be less than array1 dot length. So I should be less than array1 dot length, and I plus plus I will do. So inside this for loop I will be writing if array1 of I is equal to key, whatever key we are entering, if it is equal, then what I need to do is count equal to count plus 1, increment the count by 1. Okay, done. So after this, what I want to do is, inside this for loop itself, I want to check if the count is equal to 2, then I should break the program. If count is exactly equal to 2, at that moment just break the program, that means break the loop, guys. So once I break the loop, then I will be coming out of this for loop which is ending over here. So here I will again check if count is equal to 2, then what you do is basically print one message like this, which says element is present at what I will write index, element is present at index I. So this I will write, and for this I will be having one else part which is for negative condition, and else part will be pretty much simple. I just need to return -1. So this will be the program, guys, and yeah, let us try to run this one. So I'll just save this thing and try to run. Enter the size of array. I will enter 4 and enter the elements 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and again I will give 2 here. Okay, so enter the element to be found. I will give 2, and it is saying that element is present at index 3. That means 2 here. See, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. So first it is occurred at 1th index, and after that it is occurring at 3rd index. So that's why it is returning 3. So that is the right answer. So now let me just go for the negative condition. 4 elements again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I want to find out 2 again, and it is returning -1 because I have changed the array. So 2 is present only 1 time and it is not present n times here. Got it? So like this you can write a simple program which will actually it will actually find out the number, how many times it is present. Got it? So yeah, that's it, guys, and I think you enjoyed this video. So meet you in the next one with such a type of problem again. So thank you, thanks for watching, have a nice day.